Flooding turned deadly in North Alabama, where drivers had to climb out of swamped cars outside of Birmingham. Marshall County officials confirm a 4-year-old girl and 18-year-old woman died in separate incidents when floodwater carried their vehicles away in that area. Search crews also found the bodies of a man and his girlfriend inside a car that was swept away by a fast-moving stream in the Birmingham suburb of Hoover.
It's very heartbreaking for our first responders to respond there and, to try to do everything you can to save those people and then ultimately not be able to.
The couple is identified as 23-year-old Latin Hill and Miles Butler.